Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is the first of a set of reading practices, part of the Learn Arabic series tutorials within this course. So we'll try to apply here what we learned in the course. We're going to analyze each sentence using the techniques we learned. The first being how to recognize silent letters, or the identification of silent letters. Also how to classify the basic words, Arabic words. Identify or also recognize the affixes attached within each word. And finally to look at the root and understand the meaning of each word. These are once again the 4 processes. We'll start with the first, to recognize the silent letters. This is very important in order for you to advance your reading skills, to learn how to properly read Arabic sentences. So let's take this sentence for example. تعلموا العربية فإنها تزيد في العقل. Let's take a look at the silent letters in this sentence. They're color-coded in gray, in a light gray shade. They are here, Hamzat al-Wasl. It's silent, always silent within the sentence, not at the beginning. And once again here it's the Hamzat al-Wasl. This is the weak Hamza, of course. Another silent letter is always the long vowel that precedes the Hamzat al-Wasl. Within a sentence also it's dropped, totally ignored in reading. So we say here تعلموا العربية. So you see neither one of these letters are pronounced. In the end we'll see في العقل. في العقل. So the long vowel is ignored. What is pronounced is the fa with a kasra under it. So it's a light kasra, fi. And we say في العقل. We don't say في العقل. So here these two are once again ignored. They are silent letters. You can refer back to the sheet that explains the silent letters in order to recognize all silent letters. Let's take a look at the second process to identify and classify basic words. So let's take a look at the sentence once again, and let's find or distinguish the verbs from nouns in the sentence. The easiest sentence or indicators you can find are the definite article el. So it appears here, and also in this word here. It's quite clear. It's a separate alif and a lam attached to the noun after it. Of course, alif lam is only attached to nouns, so these two are definitely nouns. Another indicator is the ta marbuta, which only appears at the end of nouns. That's once again another sign. So remember, alif lam starts is an indicator of the beginning of a word. So now you know this is where this word starts and the one before it splits. Despite being the words written very closely to each other in Arabic, but still you have to find these small things that indicate the beginning of a new word or the ending of one. So these here too are the definite article color-coded in green. These here are nouns, and let's see the split of words. So this is one word here, and this is also one word. Of course, the preposition fi, it makes it easy if you memorize the prepositions. They're a group of around 10 to 14 particles. So memorizing will help, especially if we know that prepositions only come before nouns. So you're in a way identifying the different nouns in the sentence. So in this sentence, these two are nouns. This is very important for you to understand, in order for you to understand the structure of the sentence and accordingly the meaning. Okay, let's look at the third process now, which is identifying the affixes. Once again, in تعلموا العربية, remember the codes are definite article in green, the prepositions in blue, pronouns in red. So you see here, remember that we have already identified these two nouns. They're attached to the definite article. You'll see here this is a pronoun at the beginning of this word. Of course, pronouns come at the beginning of only verbs. So immediately you know that this here now is a verb. And this one here also is a verb. So it's تعلموا العربية. This is now here a verbal sentence. It starts with a verb. And here تزيد في العقل also. This will help in comprehension and understanding. Once again, learning the different codes. Let's just quickly look at the translation of this sentence. So you can follow very quickly with the color codes. They quickly connect the English to the Arabic. The pronouns in red. The conjunction is in brown. And the Arabic definite article is in green. Of course, in English it only appears once, the definite article the. It doesn't add any meaning to the English, but it still exists in the Arabic sentence. This is as for the translation of this sentence. Shukran.